Hi and welcome to this video of QML provided by GitChecks. In this video we're going to introduce QML programming language. QML is the declarative language that describes the looks and behavior of a user interface, and QML is composed principally by UI objects. Those objects regarding the UI are organized in the tree-style hierarchy. In this way the language is really readable, and also we can break out the complete UI to smaller elements, making our UI easy to code. When more complex logic is required, QML allows us to enrich our user interface with JavaScript code. QML spreads itself as a hierarchy of elements, and its items can contain different elements, and those elements can contain even more elements, and so on. For example, you can create an item called window to contain all your UI. Inside the window you can declare a gray rectangle, and inside that rectangle you might want to have an image and text, therefore maybe some code to maybe like this. And the path should be in QML. Next. I don't require git. Finish. Oh, hold on. So let's code a little bit. Is rectangle. For the source, I'm going to take a Raspberry Pi icon. I need to add it to the Q resource system. Here we have the last element is some text with an ID text 1 and course dot bottom, and the text is just hello world. We run this application.
¿Qué pasó?
It will display.
No, cero.
Okay, so let's talk about the code. The first two sentences are similar to the headers in C++. While QML is a language, Qt is a toolkit for QML user interface design. And Qt windows basically add top-level Windows items to display your UI as a window or a widget. So next, the root of our UI is an element window, visible with height and table are Windows properties. Property is an attribute of our object with static and dynamic bounds, and a property are description of the look and behavior of the QML item. In this case, the visible property determines whether our application is visible or not. Width and height determines the size of this particular item. The title property determines the Windows title in the Windows decoration, and the QSTR is word marks string for translation. Then this rectangle is a child of the Windows element, and the rectangle position is relative to its parent, in this case the Windows element. The proper ID used to refer elements inside the current QML file, and the ID should be unique in its QML file. Anchors properties positions the elements in relation with other elements in the QML file. The color property can get values from different ways, as a string name of a color or an RGB values. Image is a child of rectangle and takes the image from the source property. You might notice that I need to add image in the Q resource system. And text is also child of rectangle assembling of image. And its text property determines which string to show in the UI. So I think that this is the video. You can subscribe or give feedback. Thank you.